Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. We are currently in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we got ourselves an R8 for the next few days. Very excited for this one. I was supposed to get another car in Arizona this morning. That didn't work out. We ended up getting a Tesla. We were supposed to have it for like 10 hours. We had it for about an hour and decided that shit's whack. And then we went to the airport, left the Tesla at the airport, flew to Vegas because Vegas had an R8, and now I'm in the R8. She sounds good. This is a 2011. I would get a Gen 2 or a second gen if I was to buy one, but this still gives me a good idea of what they're like. And of course, you already know we had to get the V10. V8s are whack, so this is the 5.2 V10, and I want to go for a quick rip to see how she actually is. I think these make like 530 horsepower, so maybe high 400s at the wheel.
Can you move here? There we go.
It's probably gonna feel pretty similar to the C8 that we just had, but I'm excited because it's an Audi and these are cooler than C8s. Huh.
I really like the C8, but this is really cool.
My brain is fried from all the fast cars I built.
You don't need steel socks anymore?
I mean, it's okay, but I just like how it sounds. It's like decent, but I wasn't like, wow, it's I think all of my cars would cap this. Besides like that for us. Yeah, we gotta turn that traction control off. Where's that traction control button? Right here. U off. Okay. Sport mode is on. Now we can rip it. Very nicely.
Is your plan to go to the mountain tomorrow?
What mountain?
The one that we went through in the slingshot?
I'm gonna show you guys that this thing shifts slower than me missing gears. Oh, that guy's doing a burnout. It's like watch my head. Trash.
Left, Torino.
That's so weird. Tastes like Japan. How's that chopstick life going?
Good.
You gave up? down here. And it's kind of ghetto.
Yeah, it took us to North Las Vegas, and if any of you guys know, North Las Vegas is like the place to stay away from. The shop is like super long, so it would be perfect. Just saying. And then it like wraps around in like an L shape.
Hello, friend. Cute little Evo 8. I like it.
Where are you going?
You're driving.
No, baby, I don't want to drive. I don't want to.
How do you feel?
I feel kind of cool. This feels kind of strange.
Okay. This trans is very weird.
Have you been in auto mode at all?
Alright. Left lane.
Oh, this is a weird tranny. What the heck? I'm literally like this. That's weird.
I was capping.
Breaks you around.
I want you to experience the downshifts.
How do I do that?
The left paddle. Pull it in.
This one?
Yeah, pull it in.
Hold it in.
Now pull it in. Just once. Now pull it in again. Again. Is that fun?
Okay.
Now this is to go up. And this is to go down. So.
I understand.
Ooh. Again. Oh, you're in first. So in manual mode, it's gonna bang limiter. So you're gonna have to shift.
I want to be an automatic mode. That's so weird. The whole body.
Ooh, you're feeling a little spunky.
Yeah.
I could see you in an R8 for sure.
You said that about the C too.
No?
Yeah, you did.
Nope. It's time for you to get R8. Hammer.
That was all the way down.
Come on, you gotta give me more than that.
Honey, that was all the way down.
I know, but you gotta rev her out. Bobby, rev it out.
You rev it out.
You're shifting at 6K.
Like that? Is that better? Is that better?
No. Shift. There we go. Rev, 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 rev.
I think that was fine. That was good.
Okay.
That was good.
Well guys, that is going to be a wrap on the R8 video. Car was an absolute blast. You guys already know my only one complaint with it, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are wondering, since they are both around the same price point, R8 versus C8. Honestly, I think I'd pick the C8 over the R8 this gen R8. Obviously the second gen R8 is probably a whole lot better, but just based off what I know right now, I think unfortunately I probably would pick the C8, which sounds kind of crazy, but if you drove both, I think you would agree. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace out, my friends, and I'll see you boys in the next one.